How to remove space between the line in Google Docs. So in this video today we are going to learn about, so I'm going to show you some options that you can use, and you can adjust your space between the line and paragraph also. So let's start with the video, guys. Before we start, I request you, if you like this video, hit the like button, subscribe my channel, and don't forget comments below. Okay, so let me open Google Docs. Okay guys, so here we are. I'm on my Google Docs, and you can see I have some content, or you can see the paragraphs here, and you can see the space between the line and paragraphs. This is a space between the line, and this is a space between the paragraph. Okay, so how you can change it or adjust it, I will show you. So I keep it in center, so it will be more easy to understand. So what you need to do, just select the text or paragraph which you want to adjust the spacing. Now here you can go to the tools, so go to the format and go to the line and spacing, and here you can see the option single, 1.15, 1.50 and double. Okay, so by default it is single. If you click on single, you can see the spacing has been, line spacing has been decreases, and the paragraph spacing still there. Okay, if you want to use another, you can also use the 1.5 or 15. 15 also decent spacing, or you can also use the double, so it will be double like this. And here you can see the another option, which is you can also add space before the text or after the text. You can custom space. Okay, if you go to the customs, you can see this is line spacing. We can make the 4. We can see the line spacing has been increased. I just undo it. Okay, so now if I go to the line spacing and go to custom, here you can see I can also decrease the space, paragraph space. Okay, before 5, after 5. Okay, you can see paragraph spacing also increase. So that is how you can decrease or increase the spacing between the line. Okay, my suggestion, make it single or 1.15, so it will be decent. Okay, so I hope you like this video. Please subscribe me. Thank you for watching.